My question is kind of like a simple. I only have one question. But first of all, I would like to thank Rupa for making such a good movies with underrated issues. And also, you were the first director to make like the first same-sex web series, right? And thank you for your hard work. But here's the thing. I read an article on the week.in on the internet. It is mentioned that you said that it made me realize how small I am in this universe where 7 billion people are going about their ways after you travel to Tibet. So here's the question. How do you think your movie would impact the society? So as we know, we're all just like a dust in the wind. And in India itself, relationship and intercaste marriage is also such a thing, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. So, how do you think what you did would make a change? That is my question. Thank you.
Okay. Um, I don't know how it's going to make a change really, because I movie making and storytelling is a very, very personal journey for me. So I can only when it became a personal journey that I could start actually honestly telling stories. Until then, I didn't know what I was doing. I was kind of lost, because one is to make stories to cater to audience, and another is to tell stories that is doing something to you. So for me, stories, that 50 days that I spend shooting a film, or like about a year that I spend thinking about it or creating this film, that matters to me. That when I come back home and like I get really, really immersed in it, and that 1 year, 1.5 year I spend on each project matters to me more than what it does to people. I will not I don't think I will let myself think too much about those things, because that's a side effect of it. I feel, like if whatever comes out of you, if it is coming out of you, coming out from your heart, it will reach other hearts, and what it has to do, it will do. So if it has to do something, so I don't think we should think too much about that. But I, at the same time, I also understand, and very, very clearly I understand the power of storytelling and power of films. And it I know, like, because I am one of the victims, I wanted to pursue films because I have been so moved by films. So I understand it has that kind of power, so I wouldn't ever take it for granted. I will never ever be mediocre. That is a promise that I have told myself, and that is my pursuit. I will never ever do anything because it is giving me a lot of money. That I have told myself. So because when your drive is something else, then your involvement will become in some other direction. So I don't think I want to do that. um and about the Tibet trip, it's like in this world, every year more than 4,000 movies get produced. And now with Netflix and Amazon, and like, so umpteen web series, umpteen short films, not all of it, I don't think not all of those directors get a chance to talk to students from Indonesia within the 3 years of their filmmaking career. So there is something that I'm doing right, that it is touching lives, and I think I just want to continue doing that.
That is so true. Okay, Daisy, do you want to ask some more questions?
Well, I guess it answered my question because sometimes I personally, when I made something, I always think about the impact, what the impact I would make. But actually, it's about the process. It's about the impact for ourselves. So thank you for answering, Rupa.
Thank you. Thank you.